Hey y'all, welcome back to Just TK on something like a vlogmas video. So I am gonna show you a few more things that I got for the brunch. I'm not showing you everything, however, just a few of the snacks, a few of Robert's favorite chips and things like that. Doritos and Funyuns, yeah, love those. Oh my goodness. So this is the Biscoff cookies. I crunched some up, and then I also put like a no-bake cheesecake. At this point, my twin had things at her house, due to the fact that, yeah, we were trying to hide everything in a refrigerator and freezer that Robert goes in. So cool. Now the Biscoff, they have creamy and then they also have crunchy as well. The creamy worked really, really well. Of course, you know, you always got to have a good cracker, a good pepperoni, and cheese dish or platter. We didn't do a fruit platter this go around. However, you know, maybe for next time, because I might do another brunch. Maybe for my birthday. I don't know. But mine will probably be a theme. And anyway, let me just tell y'all, before y'all go on that Amazon.com boogies, go to your Dollar Trees, and I mean go to the one that you think is a good Dollar Tree, baby, because my mom found some good platters, and they were sturdy, they were clear, loved them, chef's kiss. And on Amazon they were $13 for two. Crazy. Now little Andre, yeah, that luck. And we got 5 bottles of that. Well, we're just 4. However, we didn't really drink too much of them, and we still got one in the fridge there now. I did get some plates from Dollar Tree, well, $1.25, and some tablecloths. And let me just tell y'all, they were really working. Like, they weren't flimsy like I thought they would be. They really did good. And then let me tell y'all about these right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get those for every single occasion ever, because they're so, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's almost like you using a real fork and spoon. I loved it. And my mom picked those out too. They weren't gold because the whole theme, as you can tell, was black and gold. But them silver utensils, yeah, baby, go pick you up a few of them or 5,000 of them, because love it. Now, I believe I was a little out of it, because at this time it was about midnight, 1 o'clock, and this was the day before the brunch. So I was kind of out of it and trying to, like, still keep my composure and kind of hide the fact that we're about to have a brunch at the house tomorrow morning. And yeah, so you're gonna see me counting these cups 912 times and still being off. Then like I said in my previous video, I put all things that reminded me of Robert in them. They didn't have 100 grams, which is the candy. I don't know if y'all are familiar with that. It's like an OG candy. So we couldn't do that, but it's fine. It was getting kind of cold out. Well, it is cold currently, and that's what it was for. It's a season of winter. So the little keychains, they basically said things about God and, like, you know, trust, faith, belief, things of that nature. Socks, he loves a good pair of socks, honey, especially a little decorative one, a little fancy schmancy one. And I thought it were cute for guys and girls. Now, it was only 2 males besides Robert there, and the rest of us was females, child. But it was a really good vibe, and I really had to think of it's not your party, TK, it's a party for Robert. So oh, that's black castor oil that I used. So I was like, you can't do a whole bunch of pink and stuff like that, even though it's going to be for females. Technically, it was like a thank you gift for the people, but from Robert, I guess, even though he didn't know about the brunch until the day of. And let me just tell y'all this. So November 1st, I went to the spa. I forgot my scarf at home to wrap up my hair, because, you know, it's a silk press, right? Cool. My twin said, hey, you can use a clip of mine. So I said, I don't think I have that much hair for it. Like, it's not going to be looking cute, because mind y'all, my twin hair is down her back, okay? So thick, so healthy, so cute. I love her hair down. Me, I'm still on a healthy journey, and shout out to Rooted and Crowned LLC, which is the shirt that I'm wearing as well. She is getting me right every time she can. Now I'm also very hard-headed, hence why my hair is a mint green, blue, green, whatever color it is now, because I don't listen and I decided to bleach my hair. So yeah, but look how cute I look. Wait, we gotta fix it. But anyway, anywho, we had a twins date on the 1st, because that's my twin's birthday. Don't ask me how we twins and we got 2 different birthdays. Mind your business. Now, the clip, it has had me in a chokehold ever since. But now I got twists and braids in my hair, so I can't do it now. However, yeah, we love a good clip, and that's from $1.25 store, and they had so many cute clips in there. I will be going to get more when I get silk presses. I don't know yet when the next time I'll get one. Maybe March or April. Or I could be telling a fib. It probably will be in September when it gets back cold, because I refuse to sweat out my hair. And then, y'all, Robert loves to be moisturized, or he loves to have a little hand sanitizer in the car. So I put a hand sanitizer or a cocoa butter or Vaseline lotion in each cup as well. The keychain, a few of the sweets, and then the sock, and then the Kleenex. Because like I said, it is freezing out here in North Kakalaki. Okay? And everybody showed up and showed out. I was so happy and so grateful. Everyone brought a card, gifts. It was just really, really so beautiful. I loved it. And anyway, like I said, it was really, really late in the night. And y'all, I was just having a time. But I was like, let me go ahead and just like do the candy, because it would make more sense to just try to count it out, see what fits in it without it being too stuffed. And then I actually used clear wrapping paper to hold it all together, due to the fact that Amazon didn't have like clear bags, or the one that I brought, I thought I measured like what the cup would be to the pack of 100 that I got. However, only needed 10, mind you. But it did not work. It was too small. So I'm mad about that, because I could have just spent $3 at a Dollar Tree. And guess what would have happened? It would have worked out perfectly. So what I would say, again, go to as many Dollar Trees as you can, because you can find platters. You can find serving spoons. You can find, even they had, what's those things called? Foil pans. You can find the bite-sized candies. You can find little favors and stuff like that. It's really the thought that counts for me. And it does add up, you know what I mean? So I think overall, like, the cups probably were about, I would say maybe $10 each, probably, with all the products that was in there. Which, I mean, that's not necessarily something you guys probably needed to know. However, like, you know, it will add up. And then I really think that it's really the thought that counts for me. I was just trying to think of, like I said, all things Robert. And then I was also trying to think what would be beneficial to the people that were coming. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I just continued to do the cups. I thought, like I said, I thought it was really, really cute. It didn't take me that long. I would say overall, it probably took me about 35, maybe 40 minutes, just because I kept ripping the tissue paper. Because I am a little rough. And then, like I said, I just kept counting these over, and I didn't know how I was missing cups. So yeah. And I just had to make sure everything was in here. And look, y'all, look at my face. I promise you. I don't know what was going on. I just kept losing everything, and it was just so much stuff. And then, like I said, I was upstairs, so I was trying to like be quiet and not make too much noise upstairs. And then, yeah, I had to do this all, like I said before, in the morning. Also, my mom was like, I'm right here if you need my help or whatever. But I was just like, I just wanted to try to do it. And I know I was recording, so, I just wanted to record it and make sure that, you guys can get some ideas if you got like a brunch coming up, you have a little small intimate party or anything like that, and just to get you like some good ideas. And you can put a lot of things in here. I would say you can even put in like little hand cream lotion. If it's for all girls, you can do like little lashes, the tweezers to put the lashes on, lash glue. You can do lip gloss, you could do chapstick, you could do Carmex, you can do little cute pens, you could do notebooks. I really wanted to do notebooks and like planners as well for everybody, but I didn't see any good ones that came in a pack on Amazon, and then I also did not see any ones in Dollar Tree that was good. Even in the $5 aisle, I didn't really see too much. And really honestly, to be honest, if I wanted to make it a little bit more personal, I could have looked in the Dollar Tree and just got a pack. Well, not even really a pack. Like I could have got villain socks, or if I knew more details about all my guests, I could have got them like cute socks that meant something to them. Like if somebody liked butterflies, if somebody liked, cars, or Snoopy, or like for me it would be Tiana, Princess Tiana, because I love her. That is my girl. Or the Grinch, baby, I would have had a time. And at Dollar Tree too, you can get like little palettes, you can get hair products, you can do a lot of things with this, especially if you know the guests that are coming beforehand and like who RSVPs. So yeah, definitely take a look at your local, like, and also places like Target, the Walmart, even though we're not really supposed to be shopping there. However, Walmart, $5. What is it called? $5? No. What is that called, y'all? Five in the below. Five below, you get a lot of good things from there too. Like a lot of little knickknacks are also good, found in like these little places. Also, Ollie's probably would be a good place too. What else? Anywhere else that I can think of off the top of my head? Not really. So I would say just make sure you're shopping around and don't wait to the last minute to get stuff, because I will tell you, Amazon really made me upset. Even though I was a Prime member, they didn't do my cooler to the day of the party, and I already had guests coming. And also the bag of candy that I was buying off of Amazon was not the candy I wanted. Luckily, I was able to use it for like another event that was at the house, but it was not the candy that I wanted at all. And it had like 30,000 packs of Skittles in it. And it really, really made me so upset. And I'm a Prime member too, y'all. So I was just so mad. But anyway, anywho, I think this is such a cute idea. My mom thought of it. It's like a little ribbon or a bow, basically. But what I did is I just cut the tape off of it from the middle of it, and I use each individual piece to tie up the cups. And it came out so cute. Like, it came out fine. Now, I don't cut the best, so it did come out a little weird for the clear wrapping paper, but it still was really a cute, super cute idea. And then you can see me tying it tight here. And then here's a little trick that I've learned when I was like younger. I don't know if my grandmother or my mom taught me it, but whomever did. You basically take the scissors and you just bring it right on out, and look, it curls right back on up. And voila, there you have it, birthday squad. And yeah, I just continued to do that until it ended. And what you can also do is pre-cut all of the clear paper. I would say, honestly, it was about 4, maybe 5 that you can get out of a roll of paper. Luckily, I made it work. And then I would just say, like I said, I keep saying, I'm so sorry, y'all. Just, said it again. Just pay attention and pre-cut them side by side, or just lay them on top of each other, and that would work. I really liked this idea. And again, you can make it so more like, you can personalize it a lot if you know your guests that are coming and if you have more time. Now, I'm pretty sure my twin, my godmom, and my mom would have helped me as well doing this, but I just wanted to do it by myself. And like I said, I knew I was recording. And then shout out to my team, which is my godmom, my mommy, my twin. They did so much. They went out to get the wings. They went out to get the cheesecake. They helped decorate it. They cooked in the morning with me. It was just so much. And here are the final results. Thank y'all so much for watching. Keep staying tuned. I have some more goodies coming up. Bye, y'all.